Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a two-piece set inspired by Set Active. Here's some inspiration that I got off my Pinterest and off Set Active's website. I decided that I wanted to do a one-shoulder bra in ribbed biker shorts. They actually don't sell biker shorts in the ribbed material. And to get an idea of what type of materials I want to use, I like to go exactly to the source's website. To find this information, you're going to go into the product details, and they actually used a blend of microfiber nylon and spandex. To create a pattern, what you're going to want to do is trace a pair of leggings that fits you best, or you can use the free pattern that I have linked down in the description box. I'll also leave my measurements there as well. I'm typically a size small and I'm about 5'6", so you guys can get an idea. Your pattern should look something like this. So the seam is on the inner thigh, with the front on one side and the back on the other. Make sure you have these labeled because they can easily be mixed up. And just like that, I messed up. Don't do this. Just enjoy me making a fool of myself.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Did I do this wrong? Oh my God, Taylor. Oh. I don't have any more fabric and I keep cutting this shit wrong. Now that I'm done being dramatic, cut out 2 identical pattern pieces. Pin your patterns together with right sides facing each other. After you pin the front and back rise of your biker shorts, sew using a zigzag stitch or your serger. Give yourself about 1/8 seam allowance. After you sew the rise of your shorts, flip them right sides out so you can see your biker shorts coming together. Now pin your shorts together and sew along the inseam. After you sew the inseam, try your shorts on to see if you need to make any adjustments. If not, set them aside so you can work on your waistband. For our waistband, you want the front piece to be a large rectangle. You want the measurements to be 7 by 12, so when you fold it horizontally, it should be 3.5 by 12. The back half will resemble an upside down pentagon. That's 9 by 12. And when folded in half, it should be 4.5 by 12. After you make both pieces, sew right sides together vertically. At this point, fold your waistband in half and try it on to see if you need to take it in or create a larger waistband. Fold your waistband in half with wrong sides together and pin at the center, front, back, and on each side. This will prevent your fabric from moving when attaching it to your biker shorts. The 4 pins we put at the bottom of the waistband will help you evenly disperse your waistband to your leggings, so you can identify the center front, the center back, and each side. Turn your biker shorts inside out and place your waistband inside. You want to align the center front and back with the rise of your biker shorts and align the side seams to the middle part of the side of the waistband. I hopped over to my serger to get a cleaner stitch to attach my waistband instead of using my sewing machine. Once you attach your waistband to your biker shorts, set them aside and we're going to get started on our top.
Dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me.
To create the pattern, fold your fabric in half and trace a sports bra that fits you well. Give yourself about 1/8 seam allowance.
I've been watching you like the hawk in the sky. That's why, but you are my prey. Boy, I promise you, if we keep bumping heads, I know.
Half of your pattern should look like this. And for the other half of your pattern, you want it to look something like this. It should have a slight curved neck and only one shoulder. Draw the remaining pattern before cutting it out.
If I let you know, you can't tell nobody, I'm talking about nobody. Are you responsible? Boy, I gotta watch my back, 'cause I'm not just here.
Place right sides together and cut out 2 identical pieces.
Sometimes I'm good, right now I'm naughty. Say yes or say no, 'cause I really need somebody. Tell me you're that somebody. Boy, won't you pick me up at the park right now, up the block?
After you cut out 2 identical pieces, sew all your side seams together using a zigzag stitch. When sewing the shoulder strap, some of my fabric got jammed in my machine. I highly recommend placing a tissue down so your fabric doesn't get caught in the machine.
I'm trusting you with my heart, my soul. I probably shouldn't let you, but if I let this go, you can't tell nobody. I'm talking about nobody. I hope you're responsible. Boy, I gotta watch my back, 'cause I'm not just anybody. Is it my goal? Is it your goal? Sometimes I'm good. Right now I'm not.
After you sew all of your seams, all you have to do now is hem your top.
Baby girl, I'm the man from the big B. Hey, won't you come play round my way? And listen to what I got to say. Them lane. Don't you know I am the man? Rock shows here to Japan. Have people shake my hand. Baby girl, better known as Ali. Give me goosebumps and hot beat. Make a play, haters believe. Don't you know? Gotta tell somebody. 'Cause
After you sew all your side seams together, use a straight stitch and a rolled hem or a double rolled hem for a cleaner look, and you'll be all done with your top. Now, let's see what it looks like.
I probably shouldn't tell it, but if I